Alright, so big parcel from Japan with retro Nintendo consoles and other things. And I mean, let's just get this thing open, man. Oh, and I scratched my IKEA table. Damn. Just bought that thing, but it was cheap. Oh, damn. It was cheap, so we good. There's some things I actually ordered for a friend again, but another friend. And one thing I bought for myself, or two. Oh my god, yeah, this is gonna be sick. Oh yeah, and you can already see it a little, the green thing. Okay, first of all, charger, Japanese charger, new charger. Why do I need a Japanese charger? I don't know. To charge. Oh, well, and I actually forgot about these. PlayStation 5 controllers. No clue if they work. Oh. That one felt a little snappy. Little used joysticks. Oh, no, maybe they just need clean? Huh. Damn, looking good. Yeah, I just wanted to order some. It's been a long time since I ordered controllers, I guess. And for the PlayStation 5. And I thought I'd order, or try to order them again, I guess. Yeah, looking good. What's going on with the light in the room? What the hell? Why is it flashing? I wonder if it's flashing on camera too. Hopefully not. Damn. I mean, oh my god. Yeah, I forgot. You gotta be careful with this. There we go. Monster Energy. Damn, these are pretty big too. I thought they were gonna be small. Yeah, so I just bought a car, by the way, and I want some stickers on the car and in general, really. Yeah, these are definitely going places on the car. Wow, this is sick. Oh, I gotta figure some things out, man. Not sure where I'm gonna put them, but I'm definitely gonna put them. Are these even original? How can you tell? Yeah, doesn't really matter, but damn. Those are sick. And let's start with some Nintendo consoles. Let's not look at other things. There we go. Pink, new 3DS XL. I just thought I'd get some in stock. I usually just have these for sale, but I only order after demand, basically. And it needs to charge. Yeah, beautiful unit. Beautiful. Oh, damn. I forgot about that, actually, too. Okay, another new 3DS XL. Looking good. Yeah, I had to order some black ones. There's going to be more black ones in here. But damn, I actually forgot about some of the things that are in here. Is there something in here? Damn, I would have thrown this out, I think. Oh, yes, I needed this. It's been so long since I had this. I had to give mine away because I didn't have more charging cables. But these are freaking goated. Like, for charging 3DSs. Oh, maybe I should buy some to just have them in stock. There we go. Boom. Nice. Now I have one for myself again. And no, I'm not giving that one away. Yeah, this 3DS looks good. Nice. Now, you know what? Let's do... Oh my god. I think you can see what's down there. But you know what? Let's start with these. These are for a friend. Monster Capses. Damn. They are Monster Capses? Monster Caps. Monster Energy. Yeah, these look sick, man. Monster. Yeah, these are for a friend. We're really rocking the Monster logo this year. So yeah, these are sick, man. These are freaking sick. These are like $50 with shipping and everything for both of them. So nice. And this is gonna be mine. And there's actually a shipping order and all of that. Wow. So let's get this out. Wait, was there one I took out already that I didn't want to show yet? Where did I put it? Oh, there you are. Yeah, this one is crumbled, man. They aren't taking care of my capsules, man. Oh! Oh my god. Did I just cut through it too? Hopefully not. I just went through, put a line on it. Thankfully, this is mine. Not my friend's. Yeah, no, it's good. Damn. Kids, Is this the kid size? And you have to pull this off. Yeah, because, I mean... Oh my god, okay, let me try this on. Hopefully my head is small enough. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, damn, it's... Oh, no. Okay, I mean, it's brand new, too. I think I'll just have to stretch this thing out, man. It, like, goes on, but it's really hard. Like, hard on there, I guess. No homo. Damn. Hopefully I won't just have it for show. We'll see. Now, this one. But this one, I think, was adjustable. But also Monster Energy, I think. Let's see. Hopefully one of these fit. Oh, yeah. This is the summer monster, man. Oh, yeah. This is the adjustable one, too. Oh, this one looks sick, man. For the summer. Oh. Damn, this is going to be sick. Like, it has this. Oh. This one looks good, man. I like this one. Nice. Monster Energy. Oh, looks good. I don't think it's original, but I don't care. Looks good, right? Right? Nice. Yeah, now back to the 3DSs. Whoops, my camera wants to fly. Let's do this. Oh, right. So this is actually a pre-order from one person. And yeah, he ordered just a silver Game Boy Advance SP, but I'm going to ship him the box too, since I'm a nice guy and he's giving it as a gift for someone. I don't think he said who. I think it was for the wife. Charger, Japanese. Let's see if this works. Yeah, I have to replace the screen. But that's no stress. I have a lot of screens. Nice. Looking good, though. Really good condition. Just, yeah, the screen. But I have a lot of original screens, as I said, so it's a really easy fix, really. Now, let's do this, and then let's do the thing down there that I don't want to spoil, but some of you will probably be able to tell what is. Damn, I remember I had that exact edition myself of that thing that I don't want to spoil for everyone. And now they actually cost the same as a new 3DS XL, like this thing, which is, like, came before it. And it's really crazy, actually. Or it doesn't, yeah, it costs around the same to, like, buy in. Maybe a little even cheaper than the new 3DS XL. Yeah, this one looks also really good. Nice. Only pristine condition from my store, man. I don't like to gamble with, like, ruined units. I only buy good condition. Unless, like, they say that one button is, like, not working well or something like that, then I can just replace that myself, right? But yeah, another pristine one, basically. Yeah, but needs to charge. Yeah, looking so good. So good. Ooh. Yeah, now, what is this? Okay. Now, let's do this. Oh, my days. Damn, this actually weighs a little, too. Interesting. Oh, let's get this open. I don't know if I'm going to be looking at absolutely every single thing on it. I think I'm just going to make sure that it works. Oh my god, yes, you probably can tell. Zelda Edition, Nintendo, oh my days. Switch OLED. Holy moly. I had one of these myself when I was a little younger, but I sold it. I don't remember why. Ooh, yeah, controllers. And this looks basically brand new. I'm just gonna look at what's in here. Yeah, everything's in here, man. Then let me just look at the Switch itself, since that's the expensive thing. Oh, damn, man. Yeah, these are, like, how are they? Oh my god, they're so small, man. Yeah, it works. Wow. Cutie patootie. And yeah, I'm gonna sell it, of course. But I probably won't be able to, like, sell it right away. Yeah, it looks good. But, I mean, I have a Nintendo, Legion Go 2, right? With a OLED screen too. Z2 Extreme chip, so I don't need this thing, right? But, oh, like I can emulate Nintendo Switch games really easily. Even run them better than this thing can. And run them cooler, I think. Or I don't know, but yeah. Really cool, really cool. Damn, I miss having one of those, actually. Okay, moving on. Let's see what we have here. Damn, like, what's going on with the packaging in Japan? Like, what the hell? Newspapers? Like, do they still watch, like, or buy newspapers? Or are they old? Like, I have a lot of questions, man. Honestly, I have a lot of questions. Like, what's going on with that? Ugh. And why have they started with that now? I don't think they used to do that. Okay. New 3DS XL. Oh, that is not as advertised. Or I saw that I had one that's unused, basically. Maybe. Or it was really cheap. So I know I can just order a new bottom plate. We'll see if it works. That's the most important thing. Did I even check if this one worked? Oh, it didn't want to power on. Yeah, but this one looks nice. Yeah, this one doesn't want to power on. Probably is good. I mean, let's double check. How does the screen look? Hopefully my nose isn't in the camera. No, it's not. Yeah, looks good. No screen cancer. That's the most important thing, really. Wow. How many did I buy in boxes this time? Holy moly, another one. Damn, I didn't even know that I bought them in boxes, but I guess it's a stock up on them in boxes. And yeah, wow. So, one inbox, new 3DS XL. Let's just check on the unit. Let's put the box aside. Box looks good, of course. And my feet are dying, man. Ugh. Oh, okay. Are you gonna power on, buddy? Oh, no. Okay. Yeah. A little more worn on the outside, I guess, but nothing that needs replacing. Let's see. Oh, metallic blue one. Why did I order? I mean, yeah, I guess, but like now I have like 7 metallic blue ones or something. Like, why did I order so many of them? And now I have like 4 or 5, no, like 4 black ones or metallic, what are they called? Yeah, metallic black. Wait, why are they called that? Like, how did I not know they were called that? Metallic black. Oh, I thought they were like metallic metal or something, but that sounds weird. Yeah, so joystick, right? Like, this is something I can fix really easily. That's why I buy it like this. Like, new joystick, really easy to fix. As long as it's not the screen or anything like that. No, looks good. Yeah, looks good, man. Looks good. Yep. And let's see, the pen here. I mean, I'll have to remove that. I can't sell them like that, man. Maybe someone wants it like that, but I don't usually send messages and like, oh, do you want a normal one or do you want one with this? Like, that would take longer time to ship. That would take up the shipping rates. I just make a listing and say I have a lot of these. Oh my god, this is brand new. This is freaking brand new. No scratches on the bottom. None. Like, yeah, so okay, but there's some scratches on the screen. Like, you might get this or you might get this one, right? Like, it's random who gets what. But yeah, I mean, I try to ship the ones that are in boxes, looking better, more pristine. Like, I put the most beautiful ones in boxes, but other than that, if you buy a normal one, then it's random which one you get. You might get like this one, but it depends on stock and all of that. How many people order them in boxes, how many people order them not in boxes. But yeah, that is that. And yeah, if you want to check out my website, retroboy.no, I will link it down below. So check it out. And yeah, I ship to basically any country. Thank you guys for watching. Like, dislike, subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace out.